So crowdfunding, I guess, is a more generic umbrella term that cover quite a few quite different activities, as long as there's money being matched from people to projects or companies or causes, right? A specific campaign, a discretionary investment is different from when you park your money in some financial product or instrument or in a fund or in a unit trust. That's different, right? You're putting your money there or in some kind of investment account. And if it's either sometimes you have, you're trading something, or it's being managed by a financial institution. Here, we are taking a real world company or real world project and bringing it to you. And you decide whether you want to invest in that company or project. So investment crowdfunding, the first principle that I want to highlight is that it's a direct investment. Your money goes into a company or a project. It doesn't go into a fund pooled with other money, pooled with for other projects, for other needs, or managed by anyone, right? Or managed by someone. Here it's not managed. It's your money going to a company or a project.